Hey guys, how's it going? I am here today with Levi and Nick. They're helping me out, just getting some behind the scenes shots here for us because we got a fun day planned. We're going to be meeting up with Ruben and his family. We're going to go to a remote location out in BC here. We're just going to hang out and have a good day. He's bringing the R66, I'm in the R44, and we're going to see what we can do. We're going to maybe do some swimming and just kind of hang out and have some fun together. Brought these guys along to enjoy it. You can check out Levi's channel. Nick, do you have a channel as well?
Not really.
Wrong answer. Far Gone Media's Nick and
Okay.
Levi Allen is me.
Yeah, awesome. So I'll link that below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it today. It's going to be a fun adventure. Echo Alpha Kilo, are you on frequency?
Alpha Yankee Quebec, this is Echo Alpha Kilo. I'm about to find you very soon.
All right, good to hear you again, buddy. This is great. We're pretty close. We're just coming through the inlet here. Are you within a couple minutes?
Yes, we are probably
there he is.
out or so.
I got you, all right. So do you see the lake at your 12 o'clock?
Yes, I can see the lake at 12 o'clock. What is that about?
All right, well, why don't we go hang out there? You got your family with you, right?
Oh, yes, why not? Seems like a good spot.
All right, sounds good. So I've got you inside. Do you have me inside? I'm off to your 3 o'clock.
Ruben, isn't this awesome?
Saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound. The hill is near, let's get right up. Walk up to the very top. We couldn't tell the sky from the ground.
So somewhere here, the helicopter has to be like orange or something. It has to contrast, right? So we'll put the heli somewhere like that rock there, and then, hey guys, how are you? Hey, all right. So, what about the camping there? The camping there, we have to put the camping somewhere that we can put the space or what do you call it? Pigs, right? And then the fire, we brought some wood, and with the fire, and we sit there on the fire, and the helicopter on side, and shot from above there, with the drone, like boom, like there. Huh? Yes!
Yes, without sunglasses.
Then we take, but let's do then 4 or 5 people, right?
5 people.
Let's head down, it's getting cold. All that glitter is not gold.
Nose facing that way.
That is the nose of the helmet.
Exactly. And this? Yeah.
The tail is over there.
No.
The way you looked at me before
We're sitting there.
makes me want you even
So the
more.
pole's broken and we're we gotta fabricate something here. MacGyver skills are getting tested. Twisted a little bit. Yeah. Trying to get some circular shape back in. Okay, let's see how that goes. We got the sleeve here. Which side do you think is better to come from? I think this side.
That side, yeah, I think so.
Hopefully it fits over.
I hope so. It's not like I'll grab the tape, but it looks like.
Do you think it'll pop over? Oh, we can shove now.
Yeah. I think it'll shove in.
Oh. Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, that's
There we
beautiful. Nice. Oh, that'll hold. Yeah, that'll be good. Temple. It's like you just really don't want it to
So the
snap.
challenge of this is that.
I like that, Nancy. Yeah, that, nobody can sit in that chair. So we can kind of bring it slightly tighter.
The hell is going to be there.
Yeah.
can't come to a place like this without going swimming. We actually just swam across and then went up to the waterfall. Just gonna dive in one more time. The water is so crisp, so clean. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, mountain water. This is awesome. Guys, I just want to say a huge thank you to the Black Iron Leather Patch Company. They reached out and they actually were able to make these hats for us, and I just absolutely love them. Check out the logo. You can see it's actually branded in leather. Really love these guys. Had a great connection with them right off the bat when they messaged me, and they were just able to help us get a great deal on these things. So if you guys are looking for hats, I would definitely recommend these guys. They hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave a link below. Back to the video. All right.
How about that for an afternoon?
That was good. The swimming was incredible. We got to come back here, spend some more time. This place is amazing.
We're going to fly down into Vancouver now?
Yeah, we're actually going to go to Whistler. We got to follow him.
That's incredible.
Oh yeah. Hey, you ever been to Whistler, Ruben? You know the way?
I think I know the way, and if I don't know the way, I think it's just straight ahead.
Alright, sounds good. I'll just follow you. We're coming to your right side now.
Okay, run back right.
Yep, behind.
18 minutes to Whistler, this is fast. Where to go out low pass of the lake, is it?
Yeah, like 200 feet above it, 300 feet above it.
Okay.
Nice. I'm on your left now.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, this is the one of Squamish Valley, right?
Oh, they look good. What's your speed, Ruben?
Paradise Valley.
We're doing 85 knots.
Wow.
Oh, that's a cool backdrop.
Dang.
All right, guys, that was an incredible day. We're just coming back in for landing. Thank you both so much for your help today. I think we got some pretty sweet stuff.
We really did. Oh, yeah.
Now I have to spend the next, like, I don't know, week editing this. It's going to be a nightmare, but how many cameras did we use? Like 4?
There's 4, maybe 5.
Maybe 5. Anyways, guys, thank you. It was really fun to have you, and we're going to talk to you on the next one. Please press that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. See you.